welcome to Module 1, Topic 3. This module is all about signs and signals and pavement markings, and essentially what you're going to be learning through this is to identify the different types of traffic controls, to identify and recognize different signals and signs based on their color and their shape, and lastly we'll review some of the pavement markings that are commonly seen on the road. So a lot of these are going to be probably a review. You guys have been riding around in your parents' cars and with other people for your entire lives. So some of these are pretty obvious to you, but there are some nuances that you'll need to know. This is the standard traffic light tree with the red light on top, the yellow in the middle, and then the green light at the bottom. When you're looking at traffic lights, we all know that red means to stop, and you are to remain stopped as long as the signal is red. Yellow indicates that the light's about to change. You should either make your way through the intersection, or if you can't make it through the intersection before it turns red, you need to stop at the intersection. And green says go if the way is clear. Just because it turns green doesn't mean that you automatically are gonna go, because sometimes people will run that red light, so you want to make sure the way is clear before you actually proceed through the intersection. Also, you might see some arrows. A green arrow means that you can proceed in the direction in which the arrow is pointed. For example, a left arrow is a protected turn, and you can go left on that green. You have the right of way, and others have to yield in that situation. If you have a right arrow, you are prohibited from going in that direction. So you need to wait until either the arrow turns green, or sometimes turns are not allowed in that particular intersection. You'll also see a newer sign. It's a flashing yellow arrow, and basically what this means is that you have the ability to make a left turn, but you have to yield to oncoming traffic. A lot of times you'll see this after a green light, and after your protected turn is over, it'll start flashing yellow. Basically, once you have a gap in traffic, you can go ahead and proceed to your left.